were the days. They had an issue on the way out with a tire. I got a wobble in the steering wheel, right around 70 miles an hour. The moon. It was 75 and sunny all afternoon.
Nice.
The whole drive out. No sandhill cranes today, but it's beautiful. North Platte, Nebraska.
Signs for Airport Terminal East. Then you will arrive at your destination.
On the east side?
Yep.
I'm almost there.
Ta-da!
Hello.
Hello!
How
are you? Mwah.
That was a long ride, but we made it.
It's a little windy here in Goblin Valley State Park, but it's awesome. Great views, and we're at site T6.
These sites are nice. They each have a shade hut. Kind of keeps the sand away, but not that much. Cover your food. Little Wildhorse Slot Canyon, I think is the name.
Alright, can you spot the clear sign of an unprepared hiker? I got hiking boots, check. Long pants, long sleeves, check. Sun hat, check. Sunglasses, check. Clearly, not enough water. But have no fear. This is only an exploratory hike. We don't intend to do the whole 8 miles.
Okay, on our way back.
The wobbly one. The solid one.
How come I have both waters? The hoodoos, or goblins, were formed here years ago from sand dunes and tidal flats that formed sandstone. Water seeps into the cracks in the sandstone and causes the rocks to break into blocks. The underlying softer rock eroded away, leaving isolated, harder sandstone blocks perched on top of pedestals of still softer rock, creating the classic mushroom-shaped hoodoos, or goblins. Good morning from Goblin Valley State Park. Let's take a hike. We've heard people say it, you can't get lost here. And it seems impossible not to, but it makes sense when you're here. The parking and visitor center is up high, so you can always tell where you are. We are headed from Valley 2 to Valley 3. There's 4 total, 3 right here together. The 4th is a really long hike. So we're probably not going to go there, and it's much smaller than this. But if you've been there, let us know. The trail to Valley 3 is through the wash. Don't try to take a shortcut, as we found out on the way in. It's best to stay in the wash, because some of the walls are pretty high to shortcut up or down. tell goblins. You can do it. You did it.